Hello guys, please welcome to the Betway Premiership Insider, and before I continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates. Orlando Pirates defender Thapelo Xoki has seemingly broken ranks with assistant coach Mandla Ncikazi regarding the assessments of their Nedbank Cup final opponents, Kaizer Chiefs. The Soweto rivals will lock horns on Saturday 10th May at the sold-out Moses Mabhida Stadium in Durban at 3:30 p.m. This will be the first Soweto Derby Cup final since 2014 when Kaizer Chiefs won the MTN 8, defeating the Siropas 1-0 at the same venue under Stuart Baxter. Orlando Pirates currently hold a significant edge in the Soweto Derby, having won the last 5 consecutive matches against Amakhosi in all competitions. Amakhosi's last triumph over the bitter rivals was 1-0 league win recorded in 2023. During the joint press conference on Wednesday, Orlando Pirates assistant coach Mandla Ncikazi suggested that Amakhosi were the favourites for the Nedbank Cup final due to being well rested. This was after Yosele Verio's side was involved in a midweek league fixture against the Golden Arrows, while Nasadini Nabi's men did not have a match. With him being quoted saying that we have played 48 games and they have played 34 games. We have played 14 more games than what they have played, so they are a well-rested team. Ending to that by saying that coming into this week, we were playing on Tuesday against Golden Arrows, and Kaizer Chiefs had a whole week of preparations, so we don't want to fall into the fallacy of being favourites. Kaizer Chiefs are the favourites. However, Thapelo Xoki has offered a different view. He believes that the Soweto Derby throws history and forms out of the wind, asserting the victory would go to the team that demonstrates the stronger desire on that day. Saying that I can't speak for Coach Mandla, he knew what he was saying, but yeah, for us, we know very well that when it comes to these games, it's about who wants it more. It's a derby, form doesn't play, history doesn't play, but the 11 players on the day play. So we have to make sure that everyone who gets the chance to play, they execute their jobs very well. And Thapelo Xoki further commented that their recent 1-0 league victory in the Soweto Derby would count for nothing when the two sides face off in the final. He stated that securing a historical Nedbank Cup repeat would bring a great delight for the team. It would mean a lot for us to win the cup 3 times in a row. We would be the first ones to do it. But we don't look at those things now. We have to play the game first, said Xoki. While on the other hand, Kaizer Chiefs assistant coach Cedric Case has explained how the club's head coach Nasadini Nabi has dealt with harsh criticisms that he and his technical team have encountered during their first season in the PSL. Amakhosi appointed Nasadini Nabi as head coach ahead of the current season, and his impressive track record with previous clubs led to higher expectations. His previous achievements including 2 successful seasons with Young Africans in Tanzania, where he achieved a clean sweep of every available trophy, winning back-to-back trebles. Additionally, he guided them to the final of the CAF Confederation Cup. Before joining Kaizer Chiefs, Nasadini Nabi also managed AS FAR Rabat in the 2023-2024 season. They finished as runners-up to Raja Casablanca in the league and were beaten 2-1 by the same club in the Moroccan Throne Cup final. Nabi's impressive track record extends beyond his recent successes. In Sudan, he guided Al Merrikh SC to a Premier League and Sudanese Cup double in the 2021-2022 season, also reaching the CAF Champions League quarterfinals with the club. His early achievements including winning the CAF Confederation Cup with Congo's FC Leopards in 2012. Despite the expectations to quickly turn things around at Amakhosi, Nabi has faced a challenging start with the Betway Premiership Giants. Amakhosi have played 34 matches so far in all competitions, resulting in 13 wins, 7 draws and 13 losses. Cedric Case says the fans' demands for improvements provide Nabi with motivation to find solutions. However, he also stated that the Tunisian tactician doesn't understand the harsh criticism he has received. I've worked with Coach Nabi for almost 2 years. It's true that it's been a difficult season that we have been facing because of the expectations that have not been met yet, said Case. But he has a lot of experience. He's been in a lot of countries with a lot of teams. He understands the expectations. He also understands the struggles we are going through. That gives him the tools to prepare for the future. Sometimes maybe he doesn't understand the harsh judgments that he feels are too early to be made. But in football, we have learned, not only in South Africa, that the judgments are very quick to come, and especially from the outside people who have the privilege of commenting on your results when the results are already there. But it's the job he chose. But I talked to him on Thursday. He's pretty confident and eager to be on the touchline on Saturday in the Nedbank Cup final, as Amakhosi will take on Orlando Pirates in the Nedbank Cup final at the Moses Mabhida Stadium in Durban on Saturday 10th May at 3:30 p.m. Scores of fans were unable to purchase tickets when they went on sale Monday for the much-anticipated Soweto Derby Nedbank Cup final featuring Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs at the Moses Mabhida Stadium in Durban. A preliminary PSL report has confirmed that 10,510 tickets for the Nedbank Cup final were sold beyond the venue's capacity, resulting in refunds for the affected buyers during Monday's ticket turmoil.